on the fly to show everybody. So I like to do experiment to show everyone that we just don't fool around. If there's a failure, there's a failure. And if it works, it works. Great. Don't hide anything. Okay. Just bear with me here, folks. I'm just trying to get the right focus here, and I think we're getting pretty close. But definitely it's brighter in the center. So we did gain a little bit, I think. Okay, so let's continue to try here. So I'll put the zoom on to get my focus. As I said, I don't use a bottom up mask. It just adds something else in the optical terrain that I really don't need. I rather rely on my eyes looking at the screen and get them stars as pinpoint as possible. Yeah. So bear with me, folks. We're going to do the third experiment right now. As soon as I get this a little better. Okay, Dewey, what are you talking about?
Love you, model.
Understood. Okay, I'm just trying to get the focus happening here, folks. Just bear with me for a moment. By the way, I love that big screen now. I got a 32-inch screen in here. Boy, oh boy, is that ever nice. And the more I lose vision, the closer I get to it. And at one point, my nose is going to be stuck on the monitor, which is kind of cool. Okay, I'm going to leave it that way. Let's go full screen. There we go. All right, we're going to take a snap of that.
That's definitely the thing.
Okay, folks, what we got here is focal reducer number 2. Okay, we're going to jump to focal reducer number 1. Ooh, a lot more. Focal reducer number 1 with 10 millimeter spacer. Aha, interesting. Focal reducer 1 with 10 millimeter spacer, and now we're going to jump to focal reducer number 2, multiple lens. Oh, yes, okay, that's what I wanted to see. Perfect.
Perfect.
Okay, Jack.
Do we lose him?
He's not talking.
Wow, did you see that, Jack? Okay, let's go back, folks. Am I still broadcasting here, for God's sake? Hang on. Yeah, it's working. All right. Okay, this is focal reducer number 2. Okay. We're going to switch to focal reducer number 1. There, this is the first one.
Much higher.
And
power.
the first one with 10 millimeter. Watch this. So we do have a little bit wider. And this is focal reducer number 2. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I love it.
Definitely wider.
No, there's no spacer, Mark. Correct. This one's got no spacer. This is focal reducer number 2, but it's got a hell of a lot more lenses in there. So 1 and 2. Wow. And look at the central star. The 4 stars, whoa, they're getting overexposed very easily. Meaning that, yes, it is doing its job. In other words, it's really lowering the F ratio, and the image is getting much brighter.
Stars were closer to the edge.
Cool. Okay, that might be the winner. Okay, this is focal reducer number 1, number 2. Number 1, number 2. Jack, I hate you. You're going to make me get up and put that on? Okay, all right, I'll do it. Okay, hang on. I just want to pay attention here to coma and here, folks. Need to go super overexposed because that's going to show us vignetting and coma as well. Yeah, he's making me work. What the heck? That's all right. Hang on a sec, folks. Let me, I'm going to leave that the way it is. I'm going to switch over to, I'm going to go to 14 seconds. All right, let's see the result I'm going to get here. 14 seconds, and we're going to go to, yeah, from 3 to 14 seconds. Reason I'm doing this, I want to see if I could detect any coma and any, holy crap, there isn't any. Oh, just, yeesh, we're right borderline. Okay, the upper right, 2 o'clock, tad of coma.
I don't.
And on the left side, there isn't any. So that means I may have, I might be out of the weight of the camera itself, because at the bottom lower, it's not. So, or could be with tracking as well, because I'm not guiding and I'm in Altaz. No, actually, the upper corner star is pinpoint. So, okay, and this is
Yeah, looks good to
3
me.
seconds. Yeah, 3-second exposure. And whoop, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 14 seconds. Okay, we do see the star's upper corner right. Wow, it is much, much, much better. Okay, folks, I need to go turn the dome. I heard noise outside. We're having problems of wolves and coyotes here, so I just want to make sure that they are not sniffing me out. They certainly would have a nice snack. Give me a couple of moments. I'm going to go outside and turn the dome anyways, and I shall be right back. Hang on a sec. I'm going to leave that the way it is.
Was he carrying a baseball bat?
Sorry about that. We're going to switch back at 3-second exposure. And
one thing.
no, maybe not. Hang on. I'm going to lower the timer to 8 seconds. There you go. And see what kind of view it's going to give us. Hang on.
You can use a crossbow.
Yeah, it's too bright. Obviously, the lower the F ratio will, the brighter the object's going to be. So we need to readjust everything. And that includes, see, I don't want to change the settings because I won't be able to do an accurate, I thought
the focals were pretty sharp. But
test. If I leave the settings where they are, I'm doing a real test. Yeah. Everything is the same.
He thinks there may be a little sag in the optical axis on the focus.
This is 14 seconds, 3 seconds. This is the first focal reducer. Okay, let me leave it that way. I'll be right back, folks. I'm just going to go outside.